Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Rainbow Barf face filter. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure your app is fully updated to access all the newest features and filters, ensuring a smooth experience. Once open, you'll be on the main camera screen, ready to start exploring the various options available to you. This is your starting point for finding fun effects. Now that you're on the camera screen, tap the smiley face icon located right next to the capture button. This will open the lens carousel. You can then swipe through the available lenses to find the Rainbow Barf effect. If you're having trouble, simply use the search bar at the top to type in Rainbow Barf for a quick find. Once you've found the Rainbow Barf filter, simply tap on it to apply the effect to your face. Make sure your face is well lit and centered in the camera frame for the best results. To capture a photo, just tap the large capture button once. If you want to record a video, press and hold the button for up to 60 seconds. After capturing your Rainbow Barf moment, you'll see a preview of your photo or video. Take a quick look to ensure it's exactly what you wanted. To save it to your phone's gallery, simply tap the download icon. You can also easily share your creation with friends or add it to your Snapchat story using the options provided on screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.